Hello everyone, welcome in this how-to video. In this tutorial we will show how to connect lines to locations in the Withthegrid platform. We will start in the monitoring environment with the two test locations and we will add two new lines. We can add this line which actually connects to the first location, test line 1. And we can have a second line which starts from this point and connects to this location. If you see the node, you only need to click once. Test location 2, test line 2. And if we open these lines, we can see that they have some properties. So they have their name, and they have a length, and they are not connected to any locations yet. So a line can represent, for example, a pipeline, or it can be just a line that is connected to sensors, such as electricity line. So if we want to monitor the health and the state of this line, we can actually connect it to a location in which we have a sensor. So let's say this is a location which has a port on which we are measuring, for example, water leak or voltage. And we can select to which line this location is connected. And for the first location, here we were actually monitoring the humidity and the temperature, and we can connect it to a line 1. And we can see that when a location is green, so everything is fine, the line to which it is connected will also turn green. If there would be an issue or triggered on this location, also the color of the line connected to it would change. So this way you have a quick indication if line is behaving as expected. And now if you go to the line, you can see the location connected to it, and you can quickly access, add the measurement report, or you can quickly locate the location on the map. And if you have multiple locations, or let's say sensors connected to this line, and you click graphs, you will access all the graphs that are on that on all those ports connected to this line. So as we can see, this location tracks these three parameters, which we also saw that those were available on the line. And on this second line, we have just an empty port. We're not measuring anything, so there is no graph available.